Mike the comedian, Team Capone. We out here right now, laughing mad loud Tuesdays. You can catch me here every other Tuesday. The date is on the flyer. Sweet Jane's location is 72 East 106th Street, Lexington and 3rd, man. Shout out to Diamond Video.
I see a lot of this. Most of y'all Tyhem family, right? Or y'all live around here? Where Brooklyn came here, what the fuck they told y'all to make y'all come here? I just want to know, because I can tell Tyhem family, them niggas walked in free. You like $5, nigga, you better go ahead. I'm going to tell grandma. I'm going to tell grandma on your ass. This is nice, though. Nice, sexy women. What are the couples? I see the couples. That's what I like. Couples. Sexy by yourself. Why you by yourself? You're too pretty. You look dangerous, bro. You look like you're a fucking nigga and robbing. I'm sorry, man. I mean, it's fucking. You got your sandals out, man. All toes are nice too. I like that. They right, they go right. Big toe, next toe. You ever see them toes with that middle toe sticking out? Looking out for the rest of the toes? Yeah. I'm just gonna talk shit. Okay, your toes down. All right. Where your boyfriend? What happened? He ain't come? You mess with Tyhem? I'm gonna show you how many of y'all mess with Tyhem. Once you become a host, you start fucking everybody. Meet me around 3rd hour. Tyhem wouldn't get no pussy till he hosts this room. I'm Sweet James, man. I like some of the thugs in here. They ain't trying to laugh. That shit kills me, right? Nigga, I ain't laughing at shit. Fuck that nigga, he gonna have to tickle me, son. You better laugh, nigga. I used to hustle around here, too. This shit changed a lot. It used to be dope fiends. You remember dope fiends? Them niggas ain't dope fiends like they used to be. Dope fiends, I don't know, they cutting the dope too much. You know how niggas, you remember, mama, don't you? Dope fiends used to know. You remember seeing them walking down the street? Black dope fiends used to scare the shit out of little kids. Kids be about 10 kids staring at this nigga while he falling. As soon as he wake up, get the fuck out of here. You remember that nigga? Stand in the middle of the spot. Oh shit. Complaining. I noticed though, because I ain't gonna lie, I used to be a drug dealer. And I sold dope to both generations, Puerto Ricans and blacks. The same bag them niggas sniff, but they react different. A black dope fiend will take it and do all kinds of, he don't give a fuck who looking at him. He complained right there, this shit, oh my fucking, oh, damn. What do you sniff to complain for? Oh, this one's supposed to be like this. That nigga fucked up talking to himself, god damn. These niggas trying to hurt somebody. Puerto Ricans sniff the same bag and fast than a motherfucker. Oh shit, Papa, where you put that at? Oh my god, this motherfucker right here, man. Oh my goodness. That nigga just break into a dance floor. And that nigga fucked up. Black people didn't give a fuck if you seen them high. Dope fiend, you be like, Charlie, go ahead, nigga. Go ahead. Puerto Ricans didn't like to be witnessed fucked up. Hector, hey, mommy, you're beautiful. You're so beautiful. Oh my God, I'll see you later. It's the truth. It's the truth. Kids now have no respect for us. Kids don't even call us Mr. and Miss no more. I remember growing up, we used to say, hi, Miss Jackson. Now, y'all grown-ups don't want to be called Miss or Mr. What the fuck is that about? Hey, Mr. Tom, don't you call me Tate. Bitch, you 40, you Miss Thomas. Everybody want to be a thug, wearing their pants down, tucked down, ass showing, stink. Niggas look stink now. And women, y'all, I don't understand y'all ladies. Some of y'all old women, y'all fucking these young boys, building up their self-esteem. Little niggas be stinking and you gonna take him in your house. Cause he got extra strength. He stink. when he fucking the shit out of me. That nigga helped my back problem. A little stink funky nigga running around your house. You got some bread, Miss Johnson? Nigga want a sandwich, yo. Nigga want a sandwich. I'm at the age now, I'm not doing nothing I ain't fucking supposed to. No, I don't give a fuck how pretty you are. We have sex, it's gonna be an adventure. Not a long time. So if you do or want a man with long time, I give you permission to fuck somebody after you finish with me. I'm not hurting myself. Get the fuck out of here. Sex hurt when you're a certain age. I know. Shit, my toe got caught in the sheet one day. She thought, give it to me, guys. Hold up, nigga, my toe. Give it to you. You better slow the fuck down. One girl, doggy style. I don't even play that shit no more. When I was young, I was strong. Doggy style, bow. I talk shit too. Bow, you liked it. One bitch did it back to me. Bow, and the bitch made me fart. This hit my goddamn stomach. Ow! Bitch, slow the fuck down. You made a nigga fart. You hit my goddamn stomach that hard. That made no sense for us to battle each other. You hump back. The fuck is you trying to hurt me for? I felt like somebody hit me dead in my goddamn stomach. I'm not trying to do no extra shit. I remember I was young too. I just throw my leg up on the dresser. Fuck out of here. Not no more. She talking about pick me up. You better get the fuck up. Pick me up and take me on this other side of the bed. I said, look, walk around. I'll be right here. I'm not fucking picking nobody up. Throw my back out. Shit. No. And then some of y'all men still listen to dumb shit. You better not come yet. Is you fucking crazy? That is the whole purpose of sex. The coming part. Some of y'all niggas be stopping. You better not come. Get the fuck out of here. I'm coming. And when I finish, don't fucking touch me. No, don't touch me. I'm sensitive. Niggas be still trying to cuddle. No, big ass head women. Fucking fingers feel like needles in your goddamn hand. No, sir. I tell the truth. I'm not affectionate until I do certain things. That's when I like to kiss. When I go down and treat you nice, you know, eat the pookadoo. Too old to call it pussy. I said the pookadoo. It sounds cute. Come here. You ever heard that? Come here. Eat that pookadoo. Yes, amen. That's right. We all go to church. I ain't been to church in a minute, but I do, I believe in God and everything. I had stopped going for a little while because the pastor, Pastor Johnson, he put me on blast. Remember when, you go doing the fast and everything, you know what I'm saying? He was asking everyone, how's the fast going? He's like, Adrian, how's the fast going? I said, it's going all right. I'm not doing, my best, but it's okay. This nigga singled me out of everybody. Everybody, Adrian said he doing the fast this evening. You know what I think? I'm going to tell you a little song about it, like the head hingo. You know what I think? I think Adrian is lying. I'm like, come on, Pastor John. Lying. Niggas just single me out with that bullshit, man. Yo, my name is AJ, y'all.
Thanks for Texas, man. I rep that Lone Star State. You know what I'm talking about? Texas County, Arkansas as well. We get down. That's where a boy was born and raised at, man. I'm here to support my homeboy, Tyhem Commodore, out here at Sweet James, man. Keep doing your thing, man. Everybody needs to go out and follow Tyhem. It's that funny cat with the scar across his face, man. Y'all done seen him before, man. Support live comedy in NYC, Texas. We doing it just like Jay-Z and Beyonce, man. We're going to make this marriage work.
I will be at Caroline's to watch y'all, and I'll be in the audience, and y'all see somebody laughing the loudest. Y'all know that's Nikki. That's right.
That's right. We're going to be at Caroline's July 3rd, tomorrow 3rd through 7th. We celebrating Capone's birthday on the 6th. You're going to have the whole team there. We're going to be live, man. It's going to be live. Hopefully we sell out shows. Tyhem going to be there too. And not only is he be hosting, but he's going to be on stage doing what he does best. And know, we had Sweet James doing it right now.